boy TYB, aka Laneyy. Welcome back to another video, another banger. And right now we're meeting up with the homie D. He's the homie with the R33 Midnight Purple R33 Gtr. And I don't know if he's bringing anybody else, but right now we're at the gas station filling up Susie. We're gonna be going to a meet. Quick update before we hit the road on the tune. Why didn't anybody tell me dealing with a tuner is this difficult? It's like, have you ever try messaging a tattoo artist and they take forever to reply, or they're giving you as minimal information about their work as possible? Like, they're acting like they don't want money. I'm not gonna disclose the tuner's name because I know he's a good tuner, but I messaged him 2 weeks ago. I got one email back after 5 days that included 6 words. I emailed him back after that and he still hasn't responded. It's been another 5 days. So I think I'm just not gonna go with that tuner. I'm gonna find another tuner. I found somebody else who specializes in tuning BMWs and Supras like that. They're called PQ Performance. If anybody knows of them or can vouch for them and say they're good. From what I've seen, they're good and good reliable power on their cars. They're a little bit more pricey than the tuner I was gonna go with, but you know, it is what it is. You gotta pay for what you get. And also, before they pull up, I want to thank y'all so much for 20,000 subscribers. It really means the world to me. You've grown so much in the last month. And I also have a very big upgrade. The most money, the biggest purchase I've ever made in my entire life, besides buying the car, I'm gonna get for Susie. And y'all let me know. Y'all leave y'all guesses in the comment. What do y'all think that upgrade is going to be? I'm gonna give y'all one hint. It's an aesthetic mod. Ooh, every time I see and hear this car. Oh my God. It just reminds me of how much I want one so bad. What's the deal, gang? What's up with it, man? How you been?
Alright, chillin', bro.
Hey, you ready for today?
Absolutely.
And we are. We're heading to the meet right now. We're getting there a little bit early so we can set up. Look at this thing. This thing is fucking sexy. No way. I did not expect this shit. RB26 in a Lexus? Hey, that's sick. That's crazy. Never expect to be an RB in a Lexus in one of these. So as you can see, we made it to the meet. We're waiting for everybody to pull up. And a lot of cool cars are already here, so we should be in for a treat. And we got 2 Supies right here. All right, there's some more pulling up. There's another 33. This NSX clean than a motherfucker. A Supie, another R33.
Oh.
You know, a silver R33 is what I would want.
Really?
Yes. So this right here, I'm shitting myself. Got a lifted fucking whatever the hell. This shit. Damn, this shit monster truck. The Supie on the TEs, that looks hella clean. Come and take a closer look at this R33. What kind of, he's got the Tome on there. This thing is perfect. The silver too. I don't know why, but silver GTR, silver Skylines are like my favorite thing of all time. He's got the red Recaros on the inside. The interior is mint. The TEs look really good, I'm not gonna lie. And he's got the HKS, I think, exhaust. My boy out here playing Search and Destroy.
Yes, sir.
Playing the bomb on their ass.
3 kill streak.
Hey, that's a 3. Oh, it is a UAV. Oh, I got the drone. That shit hard. We got the Disgust things pulling up. wide body John right here. This color is actually fire. That one looks sick. Sounds great too. All right, so excuse my ignorance, but I don't know what the hell it is. Okay, it's a Celica, but I've never seen a Celica like this. Orange, gotta match the fit today. This thing is clean. I don't know what kind of steering wheel that is. It's pretty clean though. And we got a C8 on bags, I think. Super clean. I love this color on the C8s. And this Soupy right here actually has the hood that I want. It looks so beautiful. Yeah, he might leave the meet without a hood. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the tools and just snatch that motherfucker off. And we have this beautiful R33.
What?
December 4th, we are throwing a meet. But yeah, December 4th, we'll be going to be throwing our own meet. It's gonna be a toy drive. It's gonna be Temecula. All of these cars will be here. So make sure you're there. Beat me there. Don't meet me there. I'll put the flyer up right here. And yeah, come out, have a good time, bring a toy for the kids. Liberty Walk C8. This bitch beefy, boy. So here's the wide body GTR I was talking about earlier. We see this thing at a lot of the meets. But look at, I think he just got some new wheels. He's got carbon fiber on his wheels, which is pretty sick. There's a Hello Kitty right there. Soon to be a snack. I don't want to hear nothing. I'm gonna be eating them cats alive. Hopefully I don't eat my words, because maybe I'll just get gapped by one, but who knows? It's all fun at the end of the day. Got another Susie on some BBS's. Somebody's got money. This is a whole roll of Susies right here. Woo. But look at this wrap on this Benz, y'all. This shit's pretty hard. It's purple. It's like a matte purple with like a black-ish, but it changes colors like as y'all look at it. It's pretty hard though. Another 35. Just looking good. It's a black edition, got the black edition wing. It's got to be a 2014 and down. Go ahead, give my boy. Good looking for the drink though, my boy. And my boy getting his first start up in the 33. There she is. Leather interior? You want leather interior? 9 out of 10? Starting to get a little dark outside, but an S2K pulled up on some TEs with some red Recaros. This is pretty clean. I think this is probably one of the cleanest S2000s I've seen in a cool minute. A lot of these be fucked up. Got a TE the world. I love TEs.
Later.
We have left the meet. We are now at one of our favorite food places, or my favorite food places. It's called Angry Chicks. It's got Nashville hot chicken, mac and cheese, fries, all in one bowl. And that's like 3 of my favorite foods all in one. So if y'all haven't tried it, you feel me? Go ahead and try this food. Tell them I sent you. They don't know me, but you could tell them I sent you if you want. We were shitting bricks on the way over here because there was a police sitting at the lot for like 20 minutes just waiting for us to leave. All right, y'all, here she is. This that masterpiece right here, and under all this mac and cheese is some good little chicken, some fries. It's gonna get you right. I promise you, you're not gonna be disappointed unless you get the shit too spicy. It say mild, but the shit really spicy. So you feel me? Order it at your own risk. Yeah, it wasn't a good time. Let's go! Okay, yeah! Yeah! Woo!
I gotta stay bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on a yellow bone. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell, cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
My dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.